Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to kick member from club in Brawl Stars. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to kick a member from your club in Brawl Stars, you need to be either the club president or a senior officer. So simply tap open your Brawl Star app, and once you open it, you need to simply go to the club section. So there is a social icon at the bottom of the screen which will lead you to the club section. So once you're in the club, you can see the list of members in your current club. So simply find the member you want to remove or kick from the club. Once you see them, simply tap on them, and then once you see that, you need to simply go to the profile. After you have gone to the profile, if you are eligible, you will see the kick option right over there. Simply tap on click and confirm the action. So this is how you can kick member from club in Brawl Stars. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.